Welcome back to my channel with me Xavierina. I'm a student from IPSE or International Program on Science Education, batch 2017, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. So in this video, I will try to teaching practice. The material is about chemistry. Yes, chemistry, and it is about the what is that? The particulate nature of matter. And this topic is for 7th grade of junior high school student. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Happy watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, great student. How are you today? Hopefully, we are always healthy and uplifting. Okay. Come back to this class again with me, Miss Xavierina, and our topic today is about chemistry. Okay, I have several material here. The first material is this. Can you see clearly? Okay. The second material is this. Can you see clearly? Okay. This is a tip X. The third material is this. Inside this plastic. Let's see the first material, which is this. You know this? What is this? Of course, this is water. And the water looks like the cup, right? And I will try to move this water to this bottle. Okay, let's move. Pour it. Okay. Okay, student, can you see? Right now, the water become like a bottle, isn't it? Okay. Okay, we pour it back again. And then for the second material, which is this tip X, the tip X is like this. Okay, the shape is like this, like a line. And I will try to put it inside the bottle. And the shape is still a tip X, right? It doesn't have a changes. The shape of the plastic become bigger. Okay. And when I open this, okay, the material is loose. It goes out, and we don't know how the shape looks like from the material that firstly inside the plastic. Okay. Student, can you guess what are the three materials that I have already shown to you? The first is water, the second is tip X, and the third is something inside the plastic. Do you think that the water and the tip X is the same material or not? Do you think that the gases inside this, the material inside the plastic, is the same with this? Why the water, when I pour to this bottle, the shape is similar with this bottle, and when I put back to this cup, the shape is look like a cup again. While for the tip X, the shape doesn't change.
Anything which has mass and occupies space is known as matter. Everything around us, for example, books, pens, pencils, water, air, all living beings, and others are composed of matter. All of them have a specific mass and they occupy space. Matter can exist in three physical states. They are solids, liquids, and gases. The constituent particles of matter in each of these three states can be represented as shown. In solids, these particles are held very close to each other in an orderly fashion, and there is not much freedom of movement. In liquids, the particles are close to each other, but they can move around. However, in gases, the particles are far apart as compared to those of solid or liquid states, and their movement is easy and fast. Because of such arrangement of particles, different states of matter exhibit the following characteristics. Solids have definite volume and definite shape. Liquids have definite volume, but no definite shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are placed. Gases have neither definite volume nor definite shape. They completely occupy the container in which they are placed. These three states of matter are interconvertible by changing the conditions of temperature.
Okay, to make it clear, I will explain to you about the particulate nature of matter, especially about three states of matter that we have discussed before. Okay, this is our topic. This is the particulate nature of matter. Okay, this is the three state of matter. Okay, the first is solid state. For example, like Lego. Do you know Lego or the book, rock, and also the tip X that I show you before? A substance in the solid state has a fixed volume and definite shape and incompressible. For example, like Lego and then book and then the rock and also the tip X that I have shown you before. Okay, the second state is liquid state. Okay, the example is water. A substance in liquid state has a fixed volume. Same with the solid state. It has a fixed volume, but in liquid state, it is indefinite shape. So it takes the shape of its container, follow the container. Like when we put the water inside the cup, so the shape of the water will looks like the cup. While when we pour it into the bottle, so the shape of the water will follow the bottle, of course. And the water is or the liquid state, the particle in the liquid state, it flows easily. Okay, the last state is gaseous state. Okay, let's see this picture. This picture is a show that someone who has blow the ash from his mouth, and the ash is example of gaseous state. A substance in gaseous state has an indefinite volume, different with the liquid and the solid state. In this state, it has indefinite volume and also indefinite shape. So that change its shape and volume to the fit, the size and the volume follow the container. Okay, like that. Okay, let's see the characteristics by this comes from paid simulation, which is about state of matter, and we will see the three state of matter that we are talk about. Here, see, okay, this is the liquid. You can, I'm so sorry. This is the solid state. You can see that each particle has a very near a very close what is that, a very close arrangement, while in liquid state, okay, can you see the particle is, oh, move, okay, it is move, but yeah, it's move freely but not really fast. Okay, okay, and in gases like this, whoa, it's very different, right? This is the particle of gaseous state. Okay, let's see from the first state, which is solid state. Okay, let's try to hit it. For example, we hit the solid. What will happen? Whoa, the particle is move, right? Okay, move. Wow, like that. Okay, it reach until 52 Kelvin. Okay, and the particle is, whoa, move really. What if we cool down this condition? Okay, we cool down. It takes a little bit long time. Oh, you can see that the particle it goes down and become what's that?
yeah, it becomes speechless, like speechless, and not flow into there in here like that. Okay, we come to the second state, which is liquid. Okay, this is the initial condition of liquid, and if we, what is that, heat it, what will happen? Can, let's see. Whoa, the particle also move very fast when we heat it. Okay, until 53 Kelvin. And what will happen if we cool down it? Okay, we cool it. Whoa, the what's that? The particle is moved slower, go slower, and in the end it will be, oh, yeah, it's look like a solid, right? It's look like a solid. They are not a move, only vibrate. And let's see the third state, which is gases. Okay, here they are move very fast. Oh, rather than another matter. Gases, the particle of gases is move very fast. Okay, what will happen if we heat it? Okay. Oh, same. The movement of the particle is very fast, become very fast when we heat it until 101 Kelvin. And what will happen? What will happen if we cool down? Okay, let's try. Cool down it. Okay, the movement of particle is slower, right? It goes slower when we cool down it. Hmm. So we can say that the temperature of environment, it will be influence the, what is that, the movement of particle in the state, right? Oh, you can see it. Oh, to, it's look like solid again. Okay, so the solid is like this. It is vibration here and there, but it's only vibrate. Okay, while the liquid, oh, it's move, but the movement is slower. Okay, I'm so sorry, I have to charge this laptop first. Okay, I have already charged this laptop. And in, okay, we continue again. Yeah, I'm so sorry. And in here, okay. While in the third state, which is gases, like this, the movement is very fast. It is very free to move. The particle is very free to move. There, in here, there, here, in there. It's very freely. Okay, we jump to the PowerPoint again. Okay, let's see. First is solid state. This is, we talk about the characteristic. The first is solid state. There are three special characteristics of solid state. The solid state. Okay, you can see the particle is very, oh, is very close to each other, and the characteristic is first having form and a certain volume. The second is the distance between solid particles is very tight. You can see, oh, whoa, it's very tight. And the third is solid particles cannot move freely, but it can be vibrate, right? Okay, the second state is liquid state. You can see this is the condition of the particle. And the characteristic of liquid, the first is liquid has a certain volume but doesn't have a fixed shape. So it depends on the media used, or it will follow the container. And then the third is liquid particle can move freely, but they are limited. Okay, they are can move, but the movement is slow. And the, okay, see, this is the last state, which is gaseous state. And you can see this is the particle and this is the particle. The characteristic of gases, the first is doesn't have a certain volume and shape. So we know that, yeah, all of here, yeah, around us is all the gases state, which is oxygen and then carbon dioxide and etc. And the second characteristic is the distance between the gas particle is very tenuous. Yeah, you can see this. We don't know, the particle is not stable, so it is a move here, move there, like that. And the third characteristic of gas is gas particle can move very freely. Oh, okay, maybe like that, a student. It's all about the characteristic of what's that? Three state of matter. This is the review from the beginning until the end, which is about the three state of matter. There are three states of matter, which is solid, liquid, and gases. And we have already discussed about the arrangement of the particle or the order of the spiration, and then the movement of particles, and also the attractive force between the particle. Okay, let's discuss one by one. The first is solids. This arrangement of particle in solid state, it's very close and packed together, like it's a regular pattern, right? Tak, 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 like that. And the movement of particle is vibrate in place. So the particle is not moving but vibrate in place, like that. So because of the closely packed of the particle, the attractive force between the particles is very strong, you know. Okay, the second, what is that? The second state is liquid. The arrangement of particle of liquid is fairly apart, random, and it is irregular pattern, not like solid state. And the movement of particle is move freely but slowly. So for the liquid, it's move freely but slowly, sliding over each other, so that the attractive force between particle is weak. And the gases, the last state is gases. The arrangement of particle is very far, and it is random or irregular pattern. And also the movement of particle in gases is move freely and rapidly. As we know that we have already seen the animation before, and there is no attractive force between particle in gases state. Okay, yeah, we have already done discuss and learn about three state of matter and each characteristic. And I have something to you. This is the very special things, which is about quiz, because we have already learned about three state of matter, right? So I want you to fulfill this quiz. It's all about that. It's all about what we have been told, which is the link is a gg.gg three state of matter quiz. Don't forget to submit the post test or this quiz, right? Oh, okay. Oh, this is my last part of our what's that? Of our learning today. This is, if you still have a question about three state of matter, you can send to my email or message me by Facebook, or keep in touch with me on my Instagram, which is here. My email is xavierina@gmail.com. For Facebook is Xavierina Dewi, and for Instagram it's Xaviera_. That's all maybe for today.
Okay, student, maybe that's all our topic today. It's all about three state of matter. Hopefully this video will increase your knowledge, will increase your ability to differentiate which one is solid, which one is liquid, and which one is gases. Thank you very much for your attention. Don't forget to submit your quiz. See you again with me, Miss Xavierina, in another topic. That's all maybe. Let's close this session by saying Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Okay, don't forget to pray after we learn. Okay, let's pray. Thank you for your attention, student. Don't forget to submit your task, and see you with me in another topic and in another video. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, that's all my teaching practice of chemistry subject, and it's very challenging because I have some trouble with my laptops when I share my screen. It's suddenly goes to a low battery and I have to charge it first. I go to there and charge my laptop first. Actually, this kind of learning is very interesting, right? Because we use technology and we use another media for learning, and it's very challenging for me, especially. I'm really sorry for any mistake in this video because this is my first time I make this video. So yeah, I'm still newbie. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. No, I don't know. I don't even know. Am I will make this kind of video again or no? Or maybe I will create another video with another topic or with another genre. I don't know. Maybe that's all. Thank you. See you with Xavierina. See you guys.